Hidden gem sa capital town na may gourmet dining, European vibes, and Halloween haunted experience. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa Stancliks. From premium surf and turf to haunted photo ops, ipapakita ko yung Stancliks experience na sobrang unique. And wait for the newspaper photo surprise sa dulo. So dinner namin ni Joyce and Mark dito sa Stancliks, capital town, San Fernando, Pampanga. Pagpasok pa lang, wow, European-inspired interiors, super Instagrammable and elegant dining. They made us try their gourmet risotto. Bago sa menu, savory and meaty. Next, seafood marinara. It has fresh seafood and pasta perfection. But the star, surf and turf steak with oysters. Solid, legit, and superb. Premium quality talaga. Tapos, desserts. Biscoff crepe cake, tiramisu, strawberry Nutella, and tiramisu cheesecake. Ang dami. And drinks, sobrang dami din ang pinatikim nila sa amin. Like hot blanket chocolate, it's a classic old school comfort, and affogato. Complete lineup yan. Yung plating, premium presentation. Good for sharing din. It has mid-range prices pero super worth it yung quality. The store is easy to find. May parking and chill lang yung crowd. So perfect siya for dates, families, or barkada. Now here's the surprise. Buong lugar, decorated na with Halloween vibes. They're launching their Night of Horror event on October 31. Whole day haunted experience yan ha? And get this, if you give a Google review or follow them on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, you get a newspaper-like photo. Kami, na-print na parang dyaryo. Ang unique! Kaya kung gusto nyo ng gourmet European dining with a spooky Halloween twist, this is it. Good for any occasion din. Follow them on Facebook, IG, and TikTok for that newspaper photo. Tag your Halloween squad and comment Stancliks kung sinong interested na pumunta dito. Follow Where Pampanga for more.